We have 28%, so just about a third of our families are benefiting from sliding scale tuition. And it is our intent that that number grows. And it really is an opportunity for us to diversify our applicant pool. We want our community to be inclusive.
The main thing that brought us to La Scuola is maintaining my wife's Italian heritage. We are very much connected to our extended family in Sicily, and it's actually Valentino's main extended family.
Figuring out that I was going to be able to learn Italian and Spanish and play the ukulele and then the mandolin and learning all these fun things.
One really funny thing that happened, it was not a school, but it was influenced by La Scuola. So I was at my grandma and grandpa's house. They are like completely Italian. I don't know what happened. I wasn't that good at speaking Italian. I hadn't even been at La Scuola for a full year. And then I started speaking this really fluent Italian.
And all of a sudden they could communicate with their grandparents.
Yeah.
Valentino sings Ciao Ciao Giochi everywhere outside of just the home and the school when it's time to clean up. And so a lot of times people are like, what is he talking about? Ciao Ciao Giochi? What does that mean? I'm like, well, that means to clean up. So he definitely applies it outside and people often are confused.
Not as many times as we'd like him to do it at home.
Right.
But it's working.
Stability for us, and as well as her education and hearing her experience beyond what I did growing up and going to different schools. And so to see literally right before my eyes, her actually having that stability means a lot.
So what does it mean to have Gabriel go into La Scuola? It means a lot, as you can see. Both Ian and I came from Brazil about 20 years ago. We didn't speak any English, came here with nothing. And so we wanted a school that really represents what the diversity of the city, and that would give him as much opportunities in life as possible, because we're lucky to have a lot of opportunities, and we're so lucky to come here and continue having a lot of opportunities. I went to school, I today work as a product designer at Walmart. Ian has his own pizza shop in the Hayes Valley. It's a struggle. We're constantly, working really hard. It was really hard to make the decision to choose to stay in a private school compared to a public school. But luckily, we have financial aid and we have a sliding scale that gave us the possibility to give this great education that we really always wanted for Gabriel.
Our La Scuola community is resilient. We know how to support each other and to pull together in some of the most challenging times. The time is now to support sliding scale tuition, to support this amazing program that is offering so much value to the children and to the families in our community. Give what you can right now.
Grazie mille.
Adios. Ciao domani.
Grazie mille.
Arrivederci.
Ciao.